Let me show you a step-by-step tutorial on how you can redeem funds from your wallet. So what we're gonna do, once you logged into your app, we're gonna scroll down to the wallet section and we're gonna press on manage. So we have three options. So we have transfer, deposit, and pay and buy. So we're gonna click on the transfer. So for those who have a Go account, we're gonna press on the Go and we're gonna select the goal that we already have. So my goal is phone, and I'm gonna select that and the amount of money that I want to transfer. So I'm gonna input that, and as you can see, it says transfer request received successfully, processing underway. So next we're gonna go back to our goal savings account, click on that, go to the active bar, and we're gonna go to the goal that we already have. Click on the goal and redeem funds. So if you want to redeem via M-Pesa, to your bank, to your savings or shares, that's up to you. So we're gonna click on M-Pesa and input the phone number. So once we've inputted the phone number, so we're gonna input the amount of money that we want, and yeah, submit, and that's it, guys.